Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious crab kulambu. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 1 kilogram of fresh crab, thoroughly cleaned and cut into manageable pieces. Next, prepare your essential spices: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and 3 teaspoons of coriander powder. Don't forget your aromatics like 2 medium onions, 2 ripe tomatoes, a 2-inch piece of ginger, and 4 cloves of garlic. Finally, have 1 cup of thick coconut milk, a small lime-sized ball of tamarind pulp, and a sprig of fresh curry leaves ready. Now, let's craft the aromatic masala base for our kulambu. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot or pan. Add your finely chopped onions and sauté them over medium heat until they become beautifully golden brown and fragrant. Next, stir in the freshly made ginger-garlic paste and cook for about 2 minutes, ensuring the raw smell completely disappears. Then, add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they soften and release their juices. Finally, mix in the turmeric, chili, and coriander powders, cooking for just 1 minute to toast the spices. With our masala ready, it's time to add the star ingredient, the crab. Carefully add the cleaned crab pieces to the simmering masala, ensuring each piece is well coated. Next, pour in the extracted tamarind pulp along with 1 cup of water, bringing the entire mixture to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, or until the crab is perfectly cooked through. Finally, stir in the rich coconut milk and fresh curry leaves, cooking for another 5 minutes. Our delicious crab kulambu is almost ready. Before serving, taste the kulambu and adjust the seasoning as needed, adding more salt or spices to suit your preference. Once perfected, garnish the hot, fragrant kulambu generously with freshly chopped coriander leaves. This adds a wonderful freshness and aroma. Serve this incredibly flavorful and aromatic dish immediately. It pairs wonderfully with fluffy steamed rice, soft appam, or even crispy dosa. Enjoy the rich, spicy, and tangy flavors of your homemade crab kulambu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.